Okay. We have this exercise. If you see, we need to find the molarity and the molality, right? Molarity and molality, but we don't have a lot. We have only the solid or the solid part and the solvent, that is the liquid or the STE. First, step number one, identify the formulas. Okay, I don't know you, but you have these formulas that is mole of STO over liters of solution. That is the first formula. Yes or not? Yes, right? It's the first formula. But it's not the only one. We have another formula here that is the molality. I'm going to use the line onto here. The molality is almost the same. That is, molality is equal to mole of STO over kilograms of STE. That's it. These are the two formulas. But if you remember, we have one more, and that is solution is equal to STO plus STE. And that's it. That is all. Let me enclose this part because we need it. This is the exercise, and we have the formulas here, like this, onto here. Okay, I remember that I said in the beginning of this topic that if you have the STO or if you have the grams of the solid, you can start with that part. So we need to identify the components of each formula. I don't know, Nestor. Nestor is not here. Annie Fernandez. What do you want first, the molarity or the molality? Choose one.
Molarity.
Molarity. Okay. We are going to start with the molarity. Identify the components of the formula. We need the mole of STO, right? And we need the liters of solution. Okay? We are going to start here with the grams of STO. Remember that we have grams. We need to convert this to mole. That is easy. If you remember, we have a specific table that we can use to convert the grams in moles. When I have the time very short, I don't know why I have problems with the mouse. But well, quickly, which are the components of this table? We have the element, we have the W that represents the atomic weight, we have the symbol to represent the amount of the element in the compound, and finally the letter T. I remember that somebody in other section asked, Mr. But how can we know what is the compound? The compound is this one. Look, this is the compound, right? Compound, definition of the compound. The chemical combination between two or more elements. So if you see, we have three elements here. Which are the three elements that we have present in this compound? We have the W, we have the letter P, and we have the letter O, right? Tungsten, phosphorus, and oxygen. Atomic weight. Okay, for the time I need to run is 184. Let me know if it's correct. This number, just move your head. Is correct? 100, okay. This one is 31, and this one is 16. These numbers are from the periodic table. How many of each element do we have? In the first one, we have 3. Look, 3, right? It's 3. Phosphorus, we have 5. And finally, oxygens, we have 20. So remember that we need to multiply this, this, and this. Can somebody give me the answer of the first one? 3 times, sorry?
552.
500.
552.
Okay. 31 times 5.
150.
150.
55.
55. Guys, I apologize. It's for the speaker and I have noise around my house today for the reason I can't hear you. I apologize. So 16 times 20.
320.
320. Okay, and the final answer here is? Sorry?
1,027.
1,027 grams. Okay, with these grams, we are going to convert the first grams that appear in the exercise. That means that we have 400.97 grams times. We are going to convert this in moles. Sorry, if you have grams up, you're going to copy grams down and mole here. 1 mole is equal to 1027 grams. Before to do the operation, please cancel the common unit like this and this. And the answer is 0. What?
39.
Sorry?
39, creo.
Wait a minute. Just give me a few seconds. I don't know if it's the connection or my speaker, but I can't hear you in any language. Let me see the chat. 39. 39 moles of STO. I remember that I said this before, but if this is one of the parts of the formula that we have, you can enclose it. So I'm going to enclose it. Mister, why do you have that part enclosed? Easy, because if you see, it's here and it's here. Okay, we have the first part of the two formulas, molarity and molality. Okay, I'm going to divide this part with one big line here, like this. We finish until here with the STO. Annie said that she wants to start with the molarity, right? So in this case, we have the STE is equal to 0.075 ton. Okay, remember, to obtain the solution, you must have the STO and the STE in grams, right? So that means that we need to convert this unit in grams. This is easy to do because the conversion in your conversion table is one of these is 2,000 pounds. Please cancel the common units like this. And what is the answer? Let me see. It's just ST is equal to 150 pounds. But we don't need pounds. We need to obtain grams. Okay, we have one conversion here. That is 1 pound is equal to 453.6 grams. Is correct, this number? I don't have my conversion table. Maybe yes. Okay, I can change it later, sorry. Cancel the units, pounds with pounds. And STE, in this case, is this number, 68,040 grams. Grams of STE. Okay. I don't know you, but if you see we have the STE and the STO in grams. I'm going to use different colors that you can identify. That is another step. We have the solution. The solution is STO plus STE. The solution is, the STO is 400.97, only 10 minutes more. 97 grams plus the number that we have here of the STE. That means that the solution is equal to, can somebody give me the answer?
68,440.97.
Grams of solution, right? Grams of solution. I'm gonna move here because I have more space here, up. Grams of solution. But, okay, we are very close because we have solution, but we need to obtain liters of solution. What do we need to do? Right now, we are going to multiply this solution times the density, that is grams over milliliters. But in this case, we have grams down, that is 2.0, 2.08, and only one here up. You can cancel the units, grams with grams, and you are going to obtain the next answer. 32,904.31 milliliters. Okay, only for the time, because I know that you can convert this very quick, sorry. This, how many liters represent this? It's just the division of this number by 1,000. So it's 32.90 liters of solution. That's it. Liters of solution. Okay, the liters of solution, if you see, this is part of the formula that Annie chose in the beginning. So I'm going to do it here. Molarity is equal to mole of STO 0.39 mole over the liters of solution, that is this one, liters. And finally, we have the answer. So it's just 0.39 divided by 32.90. And the final answer is this one. Is correct the answer? No, no, if it's correct. So in your calculator, did you obtain this answer? Move your head, say something. Okay, thank you. Okay, we finish with the first part, with the molarity. Molarity. Okay, I'm gonna close this part like this. But if you see, it's missing the molality. But for the molality, you must have kilograms of STE. That is a simple conversion that you can do with this number. And the simple conversion is, I don't know, I'm going to convert this in kilograms. Kilograms of STE. Okay, I'm going to close it. And the reason is very simple. It's because if you see, kilograms of STE are present here in the formula. I didn't do the conversion, guys. I apologize, but it's for the time I have only 6 minutes. And finally, if you see in purple, do we have the mole of STO? Yes, it's here. And in cyan or blue, I don't know what color is that. Do we have the kilograms of solvent? Yes, it's here. So we need to use just this formula. That is mole of STO, 0.39 mole over kilograms of STE, 68.04 kilograms. So what is the answer of this? What is the molarity? Guys? Somebody got the answer? Well, for the time is 0.0057, or if you want just 6 and this. And okay, if you want to see this in order, the step number 1 was, I'm gonna use what color? Why not blue? Step number 1, this one. Step number 2, this one. Step number 3, this one. And the step number 4 could be the obtention of the answer. I'm gonna do this and this. And with this, we finish the exercise. If you see, we have everything about this exercise.